I'm Blakely Adair. I am an assistant professor in the chemistry department. I just started. I'm a knob professor. And I am doing research on metals. Students in the chemistry department that are chemistry majors are required to do a research project their senior year. And we are trying to promote the benefits of doing research in the summer. Because you don't have all of the other commitments and obligations.
The summer research program here pretty much consists of, I think there's 5 students working on this floor particularly. We usually don't have to wear uniforms. We just come in to work, and the only thing that we have to do all day is work in the lab and get our stuff done. There's no military obligations, so literally the only thing I have to do all day is my research. So that's the best part about it.
Ms. Horton was one of the students that I spoke with about getting the new instrument. And with this new instrument, the inductively coupled plasma atomic emission spectrometer, so we just call it an ICP, we can detect metals that other instruments have not been able to see before.
Since she just bought the ICP, it's inductively coupled plasma, and what we do is we're looking for trace metals in the building, particularly in Bird Hall. We're just going around and testing and looking for what we couldn't see before we had this instrument. Yeah, to take our samples, we do a wipe test, and as you can kind of see, there's little templates put out on the walls. Well, you wipe it and then you fold it, and then you wipe it 2 more times in that pattern, and then you put it into a plastic vial, and we digest it using nitric acid and hydrochloric acid, and then after it's been digested, we have to filter the remaining filter paper out, and it gets tested in the ICP.
Most of these projects are published, and even if some of them are not going to be published, the results from them will lead to better research that will be published. The projects are usually a combination of continuing research that we've done in the past, but also incorporating the interests of students. So if it's something that kind of overlaps a little bit, then we'll try to incorporate that in. And in 3 weeks in the summer, you can do a whole semester's worth of work.